Email verification fail on Stash fix. If your Stash account isn't verifying your email, most people get it wrong by assuming the problem is with the app itself. The surprising truth is that email verification issues are usually caused by simple things like typos, spam filters, or outdated account information. Luckily, fixing it is easier than you might think. Step 1. Check all folders in your email account, including spam, junk, and promotions. Stash verification emails are sometimes filtered automatically, so make sure to look thoroughly. Step 2. Confirm the email address in your Stash account is correct. Even one small mistake can prevent verification. If necessary, update your email and request a new verification link. Step 3. At no reply Stash, come to your contacts or save sender list to avoid future filtering problems. Step 4. Request a new verification email directly from the Stash app or website. Don't request multiple emails in rapid succession, as this may temporarily block the verification process. Finally, consider enabling two-factor authentication once your email is verified. This ensures extra security and helps you receive all important notifications without delay. Following these steps will resolve Stash email verification issues quickly, letting you access your account and manage your investments confidently. Keeping your email accurate and organized is key to a smooth Stash experience.